Whoa! Whoa!
Hi everybody, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. What are we gonna do today, Rosie?
We're gonna make a volcano.
We're gonna make a slime volcano.
Yay!
Yay! Okay, so what color are we doing?
Blue.
We're doing a blue volcano because we don't like to be regular schmegular.
We're not your average Joe.
We're not your average Joe, that's right. So let's get started. I'm gonna hop on the other side and I'm gonna let Rosie do most of this experiment. So we shall be back in just a moment after we get everything together.
Let's get started.
Okay guys, so what we have here is we have glue, we have vinegar, we have baking soda, we have this multi-purpose contact solution, and blue food coloring of Rosie's choice. And then we have two containers, one for the eruption and one to mix the solution and vinegar in. So, first step, let's measure everything out. We got our measuring cups ready. So, first, you're gonna mix the glue and the baking soda together. 1/2 cup of glue. Go ahead. Perfect.
Whoa!
Okay, that's gonna go in here. Dump it on in the glass container. Then baking soda. So 2 tablespoons of baking soda. This is a tablespoon, so you're gonna put 2 of those. Next, we're gonna do our food coloring. So put some food coloring in there. This is Rosie's favorite part, isn't it? Okay, that's enough. Let's mix it together. Mix it up. So there we go, that's mixed up. Now let's mix the vinegar and the solution together. 1 tablespoon of solution. That goes in the red cup. Good job. Okay, and then vinegar. So 1/4 cup of vinegar. So pour that into there. Into the red cup. Oh gosh. Okay. See what happens when you mix baking soda and vinegar? It bubbles. So that's mixed up. So we have baking soda and glue in the glass container. And then we have vinegar in the solution in this little small container here. Okay, Rosie. Pour the red cup into the glass cup.
Okay.
Now mix it up, and what's gonna happen is it's gonna start bubbling, and then it's finally gonna erupt once you keep going. You want Mommy's help?
Yeah.
Here, let's do it. You see that? It's getting bigger, and bigger,
Yeah.
and bigger,
And bigger.
and bigger. And you're gonna keep mixing it until it erupts completely.
Glue.
Oh yeah, keep stirring fast, fast, fast. Here it goes!
Get out!
Yay! Keep mixing it.
Wow.
So look at that. It is slime that erupts.
I will a little bit of food coloring.
Okay, she wants to put more food coloring in, so we will. And it's gonna make it even more blue. Keep going. There, it's gonna erupt. Ah!
Help!
Whoa! Yay!
I'm gonna take it out. It feels good.
Yeah.
Wow.
And now it's gonna turn to slime. You just gotta keep mixing it. You got it. See that? Go ahead.
Oh, we got blue.
We got blue slime. Look at that. How fun.
How much more food coloring now?
Okay, let's put more food coloring. Look at all of the bubbles. How fun is this? Okay, good. See, look at that. Now it's turning into slime. See that? Ooh, yay.
Let's take this wall out.
See? It turns into slime. So first it erupts and then it turns into slime. How fun.
Oh, this is what's like chocolate milk.
I don't think that looks like chocolate milk.
We didn't do red or yellow.
Nope, we didn't. We did blue because we like blue. Blue's our favorite. Yep.
Blue's our favorite.
Yep. So we're gonna go clean this up now, okay?
Goodbye. Don't forget to subscribe.
We hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for future videos. We do all kinds of fun stuff. So, yeah, we hope you guys have a great day.